This is my phylogenetic tree of rocks, minerals, and/or crystals. The specimens are referred to as OTUs, or operational taxonomic units. This phrase makes it easier to classify closely related individuals that aren't necessarily called the same thing. For example, not all the OTUs in my tree are crystals. The outgroup in this tree is a geode because it has properties of all the OTUs in the tree. Rock, mineral, and crystal characteristics are represented. The geode roots the tree, meaning all the other OTUs share the geode as a common ancestor. A rooted tree allows inferences to be made about when cladogenesis occurred because all the OTUs and the outgroup are connected by branches and nodes. Cladogenesis occurs when one lineage splits into two. Conversely, anagenesis is evolution within a single lineage. A species still evolves over time, but nothing too significant occurs that would split the lineage into two distinct groups or species. Anagenesis occurs through the outgroup up until this point in time. This point is an internal node in the tree. Internal nodes represent the most recent common ancestor between all of the OTUs beneath that point. At some point after sharing that common ancestor, cladogenesis occurred, splitting the lineage of the outgroup into two different lineages: rock-like OTUs and crystal-like OTUs. In the rock-like portion, cladogenesis occurs early, separating OTUs with fossilized remains from OTUs that are solely mineral-based. From the mineral-based line of divergence, cladogenesis occurs, again separating the lustrous and non-lustrous OTUs. Going back to the very first point of cladogenesis on the timeline, we'll now focus on the crystal-like portion of OTUs. Cladogenesis occurs early here as well, separating the OTUs into two distinct categories, those with a simple texture or appearance and those that are more complex or intricate. From the simple texture lineage, a speciation event occurs separating the solid OTUs from the sheet-like textured OTUs. From the intricate or complex OTU lineage, the textures associated with the OTUs are sharp, more jagged crystalline formations. Cladogenesis occurs in the crystalline OTUs, separating those with projections from the surface and those with solely surface-level texture. The final divergence of OTUs happens here, with the evolution of OTUs that are themselves projections and the OTUs covered in projections.